Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of December 8th, 2015. We're going to spend a little time looking at charts that come from the Trade Navigator software. First chart here is a weekly bond chart, and you can see last week bonds were pretty doggone active. They had this great big outside week, looks like about double the normal range, but they closed in the middle of it, and this week they've started up again. It's almost like you could just cut off the bottom of this bar here, and it would just look like a nice uptrend. This support here at the green moving average was 153.12, which is the low so far. That's not very far below last week's close, pretty tight, but they have held it and started up, and they could have held below 155 here, but they seem to be going through that, and the next target here is 156.08. Again, looks like a pretty good uptrend. If you want an explanation for why bonds are going up when the Fed says they're going to raise rates, sorry, I'm not the guy to tell you that. All I can tell you is looking at the chart, sure looks like they want to go up. Doesn't mean they can't hit this resistance near the just last week's high and then turn down next week. That's possible, but right now they look pretty good. Stocks have a little different circumstance. Last week was an outside week there also, but that's an outside week in the middle of a pretty good sideways pattern here. I thought there was a chance they would hold here in the 2075 area and get a little stronger this week. I still kind of expect them to finish the year out strong, but they don't seem to be doing that. And boy, I don't know. The best resistance up here at the upper moving average is in the 2100 area, and the best support now is down around 2035. There is a chance that this current low in the 2050 area could be it. They could just turn back up from here. But there's more weakness than I expected. There's actually more activity than I expected. I really thought they were going to go quietly until the Fed meeting next week and then sort of jump from there. This much volatility now when the market's actually a little bit on the thin side, boy, look out next week when volume picks up after the Fed does what they're going to do. We could see some really serious volatility the last couple weeks of the year. That's my warning to you. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved.